Birthday ni Mister ngayon, pero sabi ko, ako ang gagawa ng kape ko. Pero ito ang nangyari. Pangit ng lasa. At in good mood din siya sa pagpapatuwa sa amin. At dahil birthday niya, ay sorpresa tayo para sa kanya.
But I forgot, I think, to put some... It's very bitter. But anyway...
Babu, babu. Bram.
Happy birthday to
To
you.
me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anba. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, my love, and my daughter. Så går enkelt det va?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Ja.
It's not my birthday, it's your birthday.
Ja, happy me birthday.
Okay. Where's she go?
Is the candle good?
You can try.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Breakfast.
There is the cheese.
The cheese? The cheese is there. Is it good?
Ik was saying that it's delicious.
Oh my goodness. Happy birthday again. Mo sa gatulera dan ba? Cheese talaga? Ikeno? Cheese? Say na lang. Okay. Happy birthday.
Siyempre, di magpapatalo itong singer na to, oh. Imagine, ang aga-aga nagwawala. Actually, ayan. May special request para kay Anba, kaya makinig tayo. Thank you, Sis Ami. Shout out sa iyong inihandang song. Isang kwelang intermission number.
Happy birthday to you. Maligaya, maligaya, maligayang pati. Maligayang pati sa iyong pagsilang. Maligayang, maligaya, maligayang pati. Sir Anta. Yes. Ayan lang. Ano pa ba may happy birthday dito?
Happy birthday.
Ano Sir Anta? Happy birthday. Ano saan ang pwede na? Sir Anta, anong handa mo? Nagpansit pa si Ate Grace. Si Ate Grace na nagsang, ano na naman to? Ano yung shabu-shabu? Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anta. Sir Anta, happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday, dear Sir Anta. How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sir Anta. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Ayan, happy birthday kay Sir Anta. Wish you more
Thank you.
good health and more love. Ayan, happy birthday kay Sir Anta. Wish you more good health and more love and more stay healthy, stay mabait, stay in love with Ate Grace. Thank you for always being there with Ate Grace and Cutie. More birthdays to go. Yun lang. Yun lang. Impossible. Thank you so much, Night Rose. Ingat ka dyan. Take care always. Cheers, Sir Anta. Cheers. Ito na pasok ano. Hindi halata na. May lamang.
Kulang tayo.
Tayo.
Sana all. Thank you.
Impossible. Thank you. Ang pangit ko dyan.
What?
Ayun na, baka mamaya ang pangit ko dyan. Ayan, gusto ko lang makiselebrate kila Ate Grace. Sakto pala yung live ko.
Well, anyway, thank you, Sis Ami, dahil pinasaya mo ang aming umaga. Kaya, thank you so much. Nag-enjoy naman ang ating birthday celebrant. Bye!